Hello and welcome to a new video of Team Tries. Today we are in Attractiepark Duinen Zathe in the Netherlands. It's our first time we are here because they are building they built some new attractions over here, but mainly we are here for the London City Coaster.
Yes.
This roller coaster is built by Pintari and opened in the park in 2017. But this coaster has a lot of history because it traveled on the European fairs before. So yeah, it's the first time we're gonna do this coaster, so we are very curious about this one. So yeah, we're gonna make a review about this one, so we see you after the on-ride. See you soon. Just coming from the London City Coaster. What is your opinion?
My opinion is that it is a very nice coaster for a fair coaster.
Yeah, it's fun. It's quite fun also, and surprisingly smooth.
Yes, it was very smooth.
Yeah. I love helixes also.
Yes.
Yeah. And the last helix, it was good that he
yes,
he had a little bit break, because otherwise it was a little bit painful.
I think so.
But yeah, for an older ride, it's very fun and enjoyable.
Yes.
Yeah, and rideable also.
Yes.
So yeah, yeah, I like it.
It's a very nice coaster for this park. So
yeah, for this park, perfect roller coaster. So, did you ride already the London City Coaster? Or did you already been in Attractiepark Duinen Zathe? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, yeah, just put your thumbs up. And yeah, follow us of course for the new adventures.
of course.
Alright, see you soon.